Moving on to one-on-one coaching, it is very easy to start and deliver with just a single client or customer. Scheduling dates and time can just as easily be arranged with just a simple Skype or phone call. Conducting a webinar is very easy too, as you are offering coaching just through the internet only, and you don't even have to search and arrange for a venue. With one-on-one coaching, you can easily offer a high price compared to a group coaching. A higher investment from your clients means your clients would expect more in return with the coaching session from you, so the quality and content are more substantial compared to a group coaching. Unfortunately, this method would certainly not be scalable, as your time invested would not be greater compared to group coaching, as you would have to take a full-time session to conduct a single client compared to a group of clients. At times, one-on-one consulting would take more of your own time, as personalized consultations will dwell more in depth with problems and solutions. This may cause delay with your daily schedules, especially if you're conducting multiple coaching sessions, be it in a one-on-one coaching or group coaching. Occasionally, in one-on-one coaching sessions, clients will share more personal problems, and they could be potential problems that you have never personally dealt with before. The best option you could do is politely divert back to the main focus of the coaching session to ensure your client doesn't dwell into personal problems for too long. When it comes to conducting weekly or monthly coaching sessions, Skype or phone calls are viable platforms. If it's a Skype-to-Skype call, it is totally free wherever your clients are, even if they are on the other side of the world. Your coaching could last as long as you want between you and your client without costing anything. If you are conducting calls to your clients that use mobile or landlines, Skype allows you to make calls at a low calling rate and no peak times. Additionally, now you can conduct international calls whenever you want to. If you are constantly making calls to mobile or landlines, it is better to subscribe to Skype to save up your money. You've never used Skype before or made calls with it? WhatsApp works wonders too if it's your go-to option. You can place a call to your clients or customers using WhatsApp for free, even if they're in another state. Currently, WhatsApp is available for Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry 10, which is generally a good convenience for all smartphone users. All you need to use WhatsApp is just an internet connection for your phone to conduct your very own one-on-one consultation. If you're keen on running consultations through your computer or laptop, WhatsApp offers the option for you to make calls with their computer-based extension called WhatsApp Web. All you need to do is just sync your phone and your computer, and you're all set to make calls with your computer only. At times, when you need to share files or documents with your clients and customers, GoToMeeting or Google Hangouts are your go-to video conferencing platforms. It's way more convenient to conduct your consultations with a single platform than two platforms. Imagine the hassle if you're conducting a phone call and you need to share a document with your client and you need to open another platform to send it in. There are 4 main points to put into consideration before you can kickstart your very own one-on-one coaching session. Firstly, for each weekly appointment, always give a call to your client that is attending the one-on-one coaching session. This is to ensure your client can accommodate or arrange his or her date and time with your coaching session. Secondly, as a coach, for every one-on-one coaching session, always get on the call 5 minutes before the conference time. This allows you to have extra time to ensure the client is up and ready for the coaching session. Thirdly, always record every coaching session for your client who might want to review the sessions again. Always ensure you have provided the agreement from your client that in this coaching session that the conference was recorded for training and development purposes only. Additionally, offering your recordings to your client provides an added value in your services. On the last main point, for each take on your client in the call, just emphasize on these 4 basic steps into your one-on-one coaching session. As a good one-on-one session revolves around your client, establish a proper atmosphere where your client feels comfortable sharing their feedback by asking them what their accomplishments were in the past week, and always be committed to follow up with your client's concerns. Do not underestimate the power of following up, as clients are prone to being discouraged to share their inputs if nothing is done about them. As a best practice, ask them in advance what their current challenges are. By creating an agenda, your client would feel less threatened as he or she would know what the purpose of the meeting is. One-on-ones are driven by your client. Therefore, the agenda allows your client to prepare what he or she wants to discuss with you. Offer the best solutions that suit the current issues that are being addressed by your client. Always emphasize on certain points to ensure your client truly understands the significance to make his or her next course of action. With this information and details on one-on-one coaching, you should have the means to understand how group coaching and one-on-one coaching works. Let's move on to the last module, Done for You.